Welcome back, Allplan enthusiasts. Today we are diving into a captivating world of 3D section and exploring the viewing possibilities of 3D PDF. It really doesn't get any simpler than this, and in the next few minutes we will explain how to create a 3D PDF so that you can use it for a presentation or send it to any user and open it on any device. Before we start with 3D PDF, I would like to show you an interesting option that you might not have known before. You need any section and all you have to do is in the 3D view, for this field choose the name of your section. Now you can start the render or simply rotate the model to get better look at all the elements. To turn off the section, just click on the sign here. For 3D PDF, right click anywhere in the 3D view and from the drop down menu select Export 3D Data, then Export 3D PDF. Choose the location and name of your file and set other settings as desired. To successfully open your 3D PDF, you need 3D PDF Reader. You can use Adobe, Bluebeam or many others. We are using PDF XCHANGE Editor because the installation is very simple and when it comes to 3D PDF format, it works perfectly. It also has a free version that we are currently using. To be able to rotate your model, you need to approve the document and now simply rotate your model. Processing time also depends on the power of your computer and the number of elements in the 3D model. So if you see that your computer has stopped working, give it some time to analyze the entire model. When your computer unfreezes itself, the model should look like this. There are also options for 3D cutting so that you can see better what's inside. My question for you is, have you ever used 3D PDF and what for? If so, write what is your favorite PDF reader and why. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.